Hiya mates, yes, I've been very busy but I'm very excited. I've been getting some orders out the way, but I've also had chance and a bit of time to make the Directional-Jet nozzles and the new nozzles to go with them. These aren't totally finished, as you can see there's a few bits missing off them, but they're good enough to let you have a look at what's going on and how funkalicious they are. Yeah, you can use them in large boats, kayaks, rescue buoys, and I'm going to put these, and we'll have a look in a minute, on the surfboard just to see how they look, because I don't believe that we've got Directional-Jet boards anywhere. So how do they look on these things? Yeah, they're all in a good proportional, nothing out of order, all fits on the other fellas. Yeah, drop a few bolts in, why don't you? A bit of the old jewellery. Don't know if you can see me slipping them in, probably not. Stick it. They come apart pretty easy enough. Just a drop pin. There's a little rubber just holding the drop pin on, but you take the drop pin out. Just a little allocating one, just on the bottom there. So that can go either way. So you can unidirectional. Either side, should I say. They're not fussy. So that's about it. Yeah, goes together lovely and quick. Alright, let's go and put them on the board and see what they look like. Crazy. Right, okay. I've just put a 6-cell battery on it so I can just hear it running, but they look lovely. The only problem was that I'm still waiting for a 3.3mm drill. I only had 3.5, which with a 3.2mm pin that's in them, it's a little bit slack. So I drilled that one out just to see if it'd fit, which was lovely. So that's in the bin. That one's not been drilled out yet. So yeah, the only other problem is turning curve. As you can see, we're going to be deflecting a bit, hitting the side of there, but we're still going to get plenty of turn. That'll have to be cut out at a later date, or not so long. But yeah, that's going to be fantastic. I think if you put one of these jet drives on a small kayak or a boat or a surfboard or whatever, yeah, it'll get you up to about 10 mile an hour, 15 kilometres. So yeah, wonderful stuff. That's about it. Let's give it a whiz on 6-cell, see what it sounds like. Everything's alright, nothing touching. Noni. Okay. Lovely. Oh yeah, smooth. Oh yeah, a bit of deflection there, just hitting the side. Probably won't have them on full turn, I can have them proportional, just set to about there, which should be nice. Okay, so yeah, surfboard. What I'm going to do is have 2 of them on a small boat. I've been looking at some small boats that are out there called cocktail or mini maxis. Yeah, and they look like if I put a couple of jet drives on them, we'll be getting some flying speeds. So that'll be wonderful as well. So yeah, maybe it's the world's first, I don't know, directional surfboard. I'll have to put some big fins on it or some rails. I don't know if I'll be turning on a penny. It's all going to be very funny though. Just got to get a servo, put in the middle here, a bit of a waterproof servo, quite nice, and then just have some wires running out and, you know, just have them turning. But I'm going to take it out first, just having them loose, because I just want to find out what the performance is like compared to the other ones. Yeah, I'm doing emails. I'll put a video up in a bit so you can see how many I've been making and getting through stuff and clearing my bills, and I'll be in touch with people with either orders for the booster for the jet boards. It's a bit of a scabby one, that, a bit of a one I had. As you can see, pretty much the same dimensions. Okay, bit of an old reject one I used. Oh, still going strong. Alright then, I'll love you and leave you. All the very best from Manchester, good friends. Yeah, be out on the pond very soon. Have a lovely evening, all the very best from Manchester. Toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo.